My YouTube channel is 1 year old. So to celebrate, I am going to make a birthday cake. Woo!
You better clean that up.
Uh-oh, Nobody saw that. For this cake, you will need these ingredients. Ta-da! The first step is to heat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. The next step is to put baking paper into a baking tin so it doesn't stick. Alright, let's do this. The first thing I'll need is a bowl. I wonder where to get one. Wait, I know, I'll be right back. Ta-da! I got a bowl. Now we're gonna mix the butter and the sugar on medium speed for 8 minutes. Whoa! A piece of butter got stuck, but it don't matter. This is the texture we're after. Nice and creamy. The next step is to crack the eggs and beat them for 2 minutes. I'm going to crack them into a separate bowl because I don't want any eggshells in the cake. Now it's time to beat the eggs. This is the texture you want it to be. Nice and fluffy. Now it's time to combine the rest of the ingredients into this bowl. We are going to sieve the dry ingredients to make sure that our cake continues fluffy. Kids, do not taste cocoa powder. It does not taste good. Now that we've sieved the dry ingredients, it's time to mix in the wet ingredients, which is the sour cream and the melted dark chocolate. Next up is the sour cream. Now we're going to mix the ingredients together at low speed. Perfect. You don't want to mix it too much because you want it to be fluffy. Now we are going to gently pour it into the tin that we prepared earlier. Kids, ask a parent or adult for help when putting it into the oven. You don't want to burn yourself. It will go in the oven for about 1 hour.
1 hour later.
It's ready. Time to decorate the cake. While the cake cools down a little bit, I am going to prepare the frosting. To make the topping, we are going to mix hot cream with the chocolate. Make sure to get an adult to help you with this so you don't burn yourself. Next, we pour in the butter. Now we're gonna move the bowl to the side to let it cool down. Now to finish off our cake, I am going to add a layer of caramel onto the cake to make it be extra yum yums. We've cut the cake in half, and now we're gonna add a layer of caramel to make it extra yummy. Let's do this! Time to put this half back onto the top. Like our fudge has hardened a bit, time to pour it onto our cake. Now to finish off our cake, I'm gonna decorate it with sprinkles, oopsies, and gummies. Happy birthday, No Lazy Days with Olivia. I can't believe it's been 1 year already. Here's to another year of fun videos and fun cooking ideas. Now it is time to try out my cake. Time to try it. Oopsie. A professional cake eating spoon. That's some good cake. Hope you liked this video. See you in the next one. Bye!